Ripping up the trees and ground everywhere. Yeah, our season is here. We out there slaying those deer. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Valley man hunting, big stags are grunting. Ripping up the trees and ground everywhere. Yeah, our season is here. We out there slaying those deer. Yeah, yeah. Wake up at 5 in the morning, ready to seize the day, giving thanks to Jah we pray. This is the time the stags are roaring. We go out to play, riding up the ridge, or steady on its feet. Climbing, sun is rising, looks like it gonna be a good day. Sun is glistening for you and for me. Oh, yeah. Valley men hunting, big stags are grunting. Ripping up the trees and ground everywhere. Yeah, raw season is here. We out there slaying those deer. Yeah, 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 yeah. Valley man hunting, big stags are grunting. Ripping up the trees and ground everywhere. Yeah, raw season is here. We out there slaying those deer. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Valley hunter gets to the top, ready to unload his gear. Set up his camp before he heads out for those deer. He's planning to stay a night or two, but who even cares? Yeah, 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 yeah. Time ain't nothing to him along as he's out there deep in the native bush where the children of the mist call home. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Valley man hunting, big stags are grunting.
They're ripping up the trees and ground everywhere. Yeah, raw season is here. We out there slaying those deers. No, 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 no.
Valley man hunting, big stags are grunting.
They're ripping up the trees and ground everywhere. Yeah, raw season is here. We out there slaying those deer.
He lets out a deep roar, stags roar back, adrenaline starts pumping. It's time to hit the track. Couple of chews from way up there, he sneaks in slowly, checking the wind as he goes. Branches breaking, stag is coming in deep roar. Echoes down to the valley floor. He spots it and makes sure it's his target, then lets the bullet fly, dropping a staggy on the spot. It is the ground with a big tongue, so loud like it fell from the sky.
That is rearing to go.
Valley hunter throws it on the horse's back, pulls down on the straps. That deer ain't going nowhere now. Let's head back there, ready for the long haul home.
Back down to the valley floors below.
Back down to the valley floors below.
Valley man hunting, big stags are grunting. They're ripping up the trees and ground everywhere. Yeah, season is here. We out there slaying those deer.
Valley man hunting, big stags are grunting.
Ripping up the trees and ground. Yeah. Valley man hunting, big stags are grunting. Ripping up the trees and ground everywhere. Yeah, raw season is here. We out there slaying those deer.
Yeah, morning breeze on my window, calling I outside. Feel the sunlight hit my shoulder, nature as my guide. Work these hands in the soil. All our bloodlines are royal. On this land we grow simple living. How you feeling? That's the life we know, and the hearts of our children flow for loved ones that show. In a paradise land we run, we rise with the sun, living off the earth where our hearts belong. Fields of green, rivers clean, just works be done. Here in a paradise valley we sing. In a paradise place I know we rise with the sun, living off the earth where our hearts belong. Fields of green, rivers clean, just works be done. Here in a paradise valley we sing. Children laughing in the distance, all the places for them to roam free, living there, life the best they can be. Heartbeat of the land, every neighbor lend a shoulder, every solar hand sharing fruit from the garden. Love is what we grow until the tops right down to the valley below. Jah provide the guidance, now the whole world know they're on their way, start to draw close. In a paradise place I know, we rise with the sun of mountains we run, living off the earth where our hearts belong. Fields of green, the heartbeat of the mountains whisper in the breeze, and the rivers flow straight into the sea. That's where the fish be. Every step we take together, it's history being made. No matter where we wander, this valley's in our soul, making us whole. We always on a roll in a paradise valley. This place you and I know. In a paradise place I know, we rise with the sun, living off the earth where our hearts belong. Fields of green, rivers clean, just works be done. Here in a paradise valley we sing. In a paradise place I know, we rise with the sun, living off the earth where our hearts belong. Fields of green, rivers clean, just works be done. Here in a paradise valley we sing our song. Valley, 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 living free, yeah, yeah. Valley, valley, jazz melody reigns forever and for a long time to come. Valley, valley, living free, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Valley, valley, jazz melody. Mountain, jazz melody. Valley, 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 valley. Jazz melody reigns forever and for a long time to come.
Heading down and close to the 35, where the children of the land were born to provide.
They got the best of both worlds, walking hand in hand, hunting out the back and fishing from the land. The 35 greet the sun as it rises high. The ocean and the land is how they provide for the elders who taught them to survive. For the elders who taught them to survive.
Cruising down the coast to the 35, where the children of the land were born to provide.
Yeah, it's a simple life for them. They move on their own time. They work the land hardcore, moving cattle and sheep on the steep countryside of the 35, fishing off the rocks, diving in the sea, where the urchin and the craze hide in the weeds. Meanest drive on the 35, where the people of the land live and thrive.
The country is steep, but that's where they reap the reward from the Lord that He has given it for you and for me. The awesome views down there as far as the eyes can see. You wake up in the morning, sun is glistening off the sea. They out there diving to feed their family. Deadliest drive on the 35.
Deadliest drive on the 35. Windy roads and ocean views as far as the eye can see. People of the land, hardy as can be.
First place to see the sun, grow food from the land for everyone. That's the way to keep it real. Born and bred from chiefs and queens made of steel. Meanest drive on the 35.
Where the people of the land walk with their head held high.
Meanest drive on the 35.
Where the people of the land walk with their head held high. So what can I say? East Coast, repping all day. The coast like where they saddle up and hit the rivers to slay the pigs and deer. That's the naughty way.
Meanest drive on the 35.
Where the fish swim deep and the bush provide.
Meanest drive on the 35.
Yeah. Camping nights, fire blazing, kicking back stargazing with a bottle in the hand and power in the pan. What more could you ask for, living off the land? This is the life of a hardy knot. Freedom so sweet, with every heartbeat.
Meanest drive on the 35, on the 35, on the 35.
goes on. Sun's long gone, but the moon's all light. We'll keep it going, singing all night. One more round, mates all around. 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 Flip-flops kicking on the sandy ground, baseline thumping. Feel that sound from Gold Coast surf to the Fremantle seas. Life feels better when you live with ease. Oi, pass that bottle, don't let it sit. Telling old yarns, having a fit. Every laugh louder, every cheer bold. This kind of story never gets old. One more round, mates all around. 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 Clap your hands, stomp your feet. This backyard jam can't be beat. Shout it loud, let it sound. Oi, 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 oi. One more round, mates all around. 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 One more round, one more round, mates all around. One more round. Too salty. Sun in the sky, feel the heat on my skin. Kicking back on the sand where the good times begin. Got my shades on my face and the breeze in my hair. Yeah, the rhythm's in the air and I ain't got a care for me. A glass with the lime, hit the ice. Looking at the ocean, yeah, it's paradise. But the world keeps on turning and the tides, they keep on rolling. The flavor in my mouth, man, is getting a little controlling. Oh, this margarita's got me feeling something else. It's a little too salty for my health. And the beach, yeah, the beach has got me feeling right. But the salty attitude is coming out tonight. Too salty, that's what I said. Got a little extra saltiness in my head. Too salty, the bass in the drums. Watch out now, cause the heavy reggae comes. See the tourists all are walking with their happy little grins, thinking about their worries and their little tiny sins. I'm just a vibing to the beat, got my feet in the sand. Yeah, I'm living on my own time across this promised land. But the phone keeps on buzzing with the texts and the calls. Yeah, they're trying to build a big fence around these four walls. Gotta shake it off, gotta let the rhythm take control. But the salt from the rim is messing with my soul. This margarita's got me feeling something else. It's a little too salty for my health. And the beach, yeah, the beach has got me feeling right. But the salty attitude is coming out tonight. Too salty, that's what I said. Got a little extra saltiness in my head. Too salty, the bass and the drums. Watch out now, cause the heavy reggae comes. They say chill out man, let it go and just be. But they don't know the flavor that's inside of me. It's a mix of the ocean, the tequila and the lime. Gonna ride this heavy wave, gonna make up for lost time. So turn up the bass, let the echo ring loud. Gonna share my salty vibes with this whole wide crowd. Wow. Yeah, the city lights, they used to burn so bright. Concrete jungle day and night, it was a constant fight. Rush hour traffic, never-ending sound. Stuck in the rap race, spinning round and round. But the whisper in the wind, a vision in my head, a new horizon, calling a different life instead. Packed up my worries, left them all behind. Follow the sunshine, a peace I had to find. Oh, I'm moving to the beach where the rhythm's in the waves, leaving all the hustle for the sun-drenched day. Salty air is calling, the sand between my toes. Yeah, the silent spirit, it's a feeling that just grows. No more deadlines, no more stress and strain, just a sweet, sweet sound of the tropical rain. I found my freedom, yeah, I found my place, living life with a smile on my face, yeah. It's a relic from the past. Woke up this morning to the ocean spray at last. Walked on the boardwalk, watched the surfers ride the swell. This new kind of living is a story I can tell. The worries faded like footprints in the sand. Yeah, I'm a new man now in this promised land. Trading my ambitions for a hammock and a breeze. Just kicking back and living easy if you please. Oh, I'm moving to the beach where the rhythm's in the waves, leaving all the hustle for the sun-drenched days. Salty air is cold in the sand between my toes. Yeah, the silent spirit, it's a feeling that just grows. No more deadlines, no more stress and strain, just the sweet, sweet sound of the tropical rain. I found my freedom, yeah, I found my place, living life with a smile on my face, yeah. Tiny apartment to an open sky so wide. Got no need for fancy things, with the ocean as my guide. The moonlight on the water, a natural disco ball. Yeah, this reggae beat is the answer to it all. Feel the bass drum throbbing like a heart within my soul. Yeah, this simple life, it's what's making me whole. Doubt it, it's the only way to be, living free by the sea, yeah. Yeah. Oh yeah.
Fun on this 125. A lot of clutch work. What I mean is,
yeah.
I can see you smiling, I can see you crying. The world is all around us, all around us. Every guitar, reggae vibes with a hip-hop twist, reggae vibes with a hip-hop twist.
Coconut smoke, I'm floating away. Feel the life peace, but the pain still stay. Laugh with the breeze, yo, take me away. Life full of sauce, tell the truth every day. Coconut smoke, turn the eyes to the sky. Let the breeze take all the fake ones away. If I cry, it's behind these shades. Island vibes and the cool never spray.
around us, all around us. Every guitar, reggae vibes with a hip hop twist. Reggae vibes with a hip hop twist. Oh, coconut water. Reggae vibes with a hip hop twist. Reggae vibes with a hip hop twist. Oh, coconut water.
Everything so green and purple and blue and green. It's like I've been living in a magic mushroom dream. Said everything so green and purple and blue and green. It's like I've been living in a magic mushroom dream. Hey yo, everything's so beautiful. Just a little small dose and I'm seeing the most. I'm seeing the world, I see things that I never seen before. It's like I've been on a world tour, but I ain't leaving my home. I said everything's so beautiful. Just a little small dose and I'm seeing the most. I'm seeing the world, I see things that I never seen before. It's like I've been on a world tour, but I ain't leaving my home. Said everything so green and purple and blue and green. It's like I've been living in a magic mushroom dream. Everything so green and purple and blue and green. It's like I've been living in a magic mushroom dream. Ayo. It's so beautiful. I see the little creatures crawling through the forest. They're looking at me like, what are you doing here? I don't know. I took a small dose and now I'm here. I see the little creatures crawling through the forest. They're looking at me like, what are you doing here? I don't know. I took a small dose and now I'm here. Everything so green and purple and blue and green. It's like I've been living in a magic mushroom dream. Everything so green and purple and blue and green. It's like I've been living in a magic mushroom dream.
Yo, this that island vibration. Take a deep breath of that island air, and it's just good vibes only. The life we're living in this place we've been given. No negativity, just positive vibrations. The life we're living in this place we've been given. No negativity, just positive vibrations. The life we're living in this place we've been given. No negativity, just positive vibrations. The life we're living in this place we've been given. No negativity, just positive vibrations.
on your feet, get on your feet, get on your feet. Oh yes.
Pull it up again. Me, Jabba, tell it that.
This right here's a place where everybody come as one. Creativity spark fire hotter than the sun. Burning, popping clouds, magic carpet through the air. Completely vibing out to the sounds of Bob Marley. Secrets, secret location. Secrets, secret location. Man, no man, no man down. Back at it again with the $1 million plan. Fresh cut, fresh food, I feel like I'm a classic man. Nothing you can say, I'm just a man with confidence. One shot of a good time, 2 shots more exo, 3 shots, me feeling nice, everybody hit the dance floor. Hanging with the cool kids, no, 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 you cannot sit with us. Capturing everything, vivid picture like a camera do. Yeah, alright, we gon' set this party all night. Tuesday let your collar pop up when you do this. Lion or the bless up, keep waving like a cool shit. No, I do not talk the cops around the way that lose it. All I know was the code, then stay true to it. Mama said, knock you out like Tyson. Access only for me. What's the password? This right here's a place where everybody come as one. Creativity spark fire hotter than the sun. Burning, popping clouds, magic carpet through the air. Completely vibing out to the sounds of Bob Marley. Secrets.
Alright guys, that was pretty legit for the 125. Gotta say, Clutch not to liking it.
Yeah,
oh well,
yeah.
there we go.
What's my name? I came, I conquered and came again. What do you expect? She got the Ferrari frame. Wake up and wake up, do it all again. Shuffle, 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 watch my footwork. Battle me, this my circle. Girl, without that you got to twerk it. Girl, without that you got to twerk it. Yeah, these women and how I'm feeling, my DJ is killing it. I'm about to be one hell of a time. So, don't kill my vibe. I'm just here enjoying my high. It's important when you're boarding my fly. Beat is beating Mayweather, Rocky. Now I'm popping. I think she noticed that about me. I told her this right here's a place where everybody come as one. Creativity spark fire hotter than the sun. Burning, popping clouds, magic carpet through the air. Completely vibing out to the sounds of Bob Marley. Secrets, secret location. Secrets, secret location.
Rocking our veins, smoke rise over them chains. Heartbeat to the drums refrain. We trod on, we trod on. Little spliff in a me hand, big world under me feet. Elders chanting in the air, teach I how the I shall speak. In the hills we find we live, we plant with true lion courage in a chest, ancient fire in a youth. Urban harmony, set the spirit free. From the city stress to the mountain breeze. Ganja carry we through this journey. Jah love keep we steady, steady. Culture in our bones, we identity. Stand up strong in the community. From the struggle to the victory, we chant down Babylon, chant down misery. See the children in the lane, painting futures on the wall. Drum circle in the square, one fire, one we all. Talk a justice, talk a right. No more hunger, no more war. Every pull a little prayer. my toes I stroll, kicking all my worries in the phone. Sun sitting pretty on my shoulders, salt on my skin, I feel bolder. Little kids laugh by the shoreline, old man humming on the clothesline. Cool breeze playing with my dread, every step is easing up my head. Yeah, I'm just walking on the beach in the sunshine. Every little step say I feel fine. Gonna meet my friends by the old dock side. Good vibes, good laugh, good time. Walking on the beach in the sunshine. Trouble wash away like a low tide line. Gonna see my people, everything aligned. Good vibes, good laugh, good time. Hey! Flip-flops swinging in my hand. Bare feet draw a story in the sand. Smell a mango floating from the stand. Somebody wave, say, come join the band. See my crew up ahead in the glow. Coolers in the circle, talking slow. One hug, two jokes, hearts in sync. Pass the coconut, take a drink. Oh yeah, I'm just walking on the beach in the sunshine. Every little step say I feel fine. Gonna meet my friends by the old dock side. Good vibes, good laugh, good time. Walking on the beach in the sunshine. Trouble wash away like a low tide line. Gonna see my people, everything nice. Good vibes, good laugh, good time. Hey. Yeah. Wake up, breathe in. Life's good. Sunlight dancing on my face. Another day, another grace. No more running, no more chase. I found peace in my own space. Used to rush, used to stress. Now I see I've been blessed. All the small things I ignored, now I feel them to the core. When you're real, when you're true, life shines back onto you. It feels so good just being me. Open eyes and now I see all the beauty in my way. I wake up grateful every day. No disguise, no more fear. Real life finally feels so clear. From my heart I wanna say I wake up grateful every day. No fake smiles, no pretend. Real ones stay until the end. Energy, don't ever lie. Feel the truth, don't deny. Hey, every breath I give, I hold. Every moment worth more than gold. From the struggle came the light. Now my soul just feels right when you live what you say. Peace will find you every day. Yeah. Feels so good just being me. Open eyes and now I see all the beauty in my way. I wake up grateful every day. No more masks, I let it go. Feel the love inside me grow. From my heart I wanna say I wake up grateful every day. Slow it down, feel the breeze. Life ain't hard when your mind's at ease. What you give is what you get. Sun after the rain. Let it flow, let it be. Truth is all you ever need. Take a breath, celebrate. Life is good when you appreciate it. Feels so good just being me. Now I live in harmony. All the beauty in my way. I wake up grateful every day. No more fear, I'm finally free. This is how life's meant to be. From my soul I wanna say I wake up grateful every day. Yeah, yeah. Grateful every day. Just be real and feel.
Spin that shit.
Young man, you too girly, girly. Flashing on your life on the world, eh? Young man, you too girly, girly. Too much gal and you're moving too early. Young man, you too girly, girly. Switching up your love so dirty. Young man, you too girly, girly. Only for gal, but none still worthy. Him got one uptown, one downtown, one in a West End, one on new ground. One she a liar, clean and proper. One she a boss sign, paper top shutter. One in a east side, one in a north. Two down south, but them fighting in court. One pan the corner selling cigarettes. One lead bad gal, but him still not set. Yeah. Him juggle love like a circus act, but every gal know him at nothing. Young man, you too girly, girly. Flashing on your life on the world, eh? Young man, you too girly, girly. Too much gal and you're moving too early. One still a school, one gone full time. One says she queen, said the throne is mine. One she a nurse, says she come first. Next one jealous, ready for burst. One a bar with a bright smile glow. Two link up now, yeah, drama start show. One getty, one pretty, still him confused, not choose steady. Late night call, but him phone too busy. Too many hearts and him mind too dizzy. Why you play so reckless? Love can't be checklist. One day all them gal go vanish, and you left with your mad. Young man, you too girly, girly. Flashing on your life on the world, eh? Young man, you too girly, girly. Too much gal, but your heart not I've been building cathedrals out of things that don't matter. Spent years sharpening worries like they were holy swords. I chased every version of enough the strangers handed me. Rich enough, in enough, loud enough, quiet enough. Ooh. And every time I call one, it turned to smoke between my fingers. I've been running races with no finish lines, yeah. And I'm tired, Lord, I'm so tired of complicating a heart that just wants to beat.
But today I woke up and my lungs still worked. The sun came through the window like it had never left. And for the first time in years I didn't ask it what it meant.
Ooh, I just let it touch my face, and I realized I have everything.
I'm not complicating things anymore.
Yeah.
I have good health in the sunlight.
That's a kingdom I forgot to see.
I'm definitely gonna live, yeah. Not someday, not when I'm fixed. Right now with this breath, with these hands. Ooh,
I'm done with all this too much worry.
trying to keep up with people who each have a different definition of living. I live where I can, even if where I can it's just a porch and a cup of coffee and the sound of nothing needing to be proven.
So Lord, hold me down,
hold me down,
hold me down and teach me how not to complicate my mind. I've been drowning in questions that have no answers. What if I fail? What if they leave? What if I'm already too late? Yeah, I turned my piece into a puzzle nobody gave me. I made a maze out of my own forehead. And all along the only instruction was breathe.